Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy, Mr. Right Now, and this is my first official video for my channel, my first vlog ever. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be a little rusty, bear with your boy, subscribe, give me a like, and hit the little bing, little bell notification button, you know what I'm saying? I really appreciate, the support. But it's basically what I'm doing is, a little look into, I guess, my life. So I just left the gym, you know what I'm saying? That's why I'm all sweaty and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, get a little workout on, get a nice little at the gym pump, you know what I'm saying? But I can start off the video, you know what I'm saying, by giving y'all a walk around. So it's a 2018 Dodge Ram. Tomorrow, I'm actually scheduled to get my get a muffler delete. So this is how it sounds now. Boo! That's so boring. That's so boring. So I need to give it a little kick, a little more. So I want to color match the grill and the chrome bumper down there, and change the headlights out. I'll probably end up tinting the windshield, but as far as the other windows, everything is 5% all the way around. I want to take this off. I want to remove that so you can see the red right there. There she go right there on this fine morning. You already know what I got going on, but before we hit this muffler shop, one last time, go ahead and let you hear what the before sound like. Told these fools that it was close. My ride's supposed to be here, but they aren't even here. So I'm just sitting here waiting, looking stupid. Work blowing my phone up, even though I told them I had an appointment. I just wanted to get my muffler fixed. The dude that's supposed to do it, I guess his tire messed up on him, so I couldn't really talk to him and get him on the camera. Apologize for that, but maybe afterwards we can get him on. But yeah, I'm just, ready. Can't wait to see what it sounds like. They're gonna call me when it's done. We're just gonna go from there. So stay tuned. You gonna bring your ass on and drive this Volvo?
We going shopping.
Dude,
We going shopping.
where he at?
He on his way.
There, everybody always on their way, but they ain't never here. Damn, I wanna go pick my shit up. Hey man, what's up, gang, man? I apologize, yo. I didn't even show the video where I got my stuff done or whatever like I was supposed to. But yeah, I got like random miscellaneous clips and I'll just send those. Y'all see. My bad. Wait till them add-ons start coming. Should be next week when I start getting everything. Yeah, just look real quick. But I'll do a quick